All right, we're going to do a quick comparison of the Fanttik NEX E1 Max with 50 bits versus the Fanttik NEX S1 Pro. So first thing, right off the bat, you can see a difference of size. 15 bits, I believe here. Let me double check. 15 or 16 bits. Yep, 16 bits in this one and 50 in this one. And it's amazing the size difference because size does matter in this scenario. You're getting a ton more torque here, a lot less torque, still proper battery, still proper packaging, metal cases, really, really solid. They both have the spring action system in there, but I'm going to tell you something. If you're needing a full size item, so you have larger screws that you need to work with, the S1 Pro is going to be the way, and I'm going to show you why here in a minute. So both of them are going to work on the same way. They're going to have some of the same features, but this one has a majority of smaller bits. Now, there may be 50 of them, but when it comes to larger bits, this is the largest. Let's see if we can get a good view on that. That is the largest Phillips head. Now, there are some longer ones, but it's the largest sized Phillips head for it. Now, if we go over to the S1, okay, you're going to notice a lot more girthier, but at the end of the day, there are substantially larger over here, and you can see all those in comparison. So if you're needing something that is going to be able to do bigger projects, let's say you were trying to do something with like a door jamb, or you have just larger items in general, I would definitely be shooting for the S1 Pro. If you're looking for something to sit in the junk drawer, use for the smaller stuff, maybe the kids' toys, the basic stuff, the little electronics, the E1 Max is going to be the way to go for that. I would say this is a perfect addition to the household overall. Having both of these is going to make sure that you have all the bits and all the options when it comes to making sure that you're taken care of. Fanttik did it again with an awesome set of products here when it comes to electronic screwdrivers. You got to definitely check them out.